We have come to the campus of Transition as a workshop. This is during the starting of our program, so it's a beautiful experience for us as students.
We welcome here around 2,000 people a year in our eco-village. We aim to transform the higher education system, public and private organization, to enhance the tools for the social and ecological transition.
L'objectif en venant immerger nos étudiants sur le campus de la transition, c'est de leur montrer différents regards.
Leur transmettre notre manière de vivre, comment on applique la sobriété au quotidien, et on va répondre à toutes les questions sur ce mode de vie qui peut parfois étonner, mais qui souvent les inspire pas mal.
We've been experiencing a real introduction to climate change issues and how we can build a community around it.
Both to experience life in a very ideal ecosystem that supports climate change.
To discuss and talk about climate change, but not only, also planetary boundaries.
A beautiful way for us to understand each other. We're all people from different backgrounds, different likings.
And to get to know each other more deeply, because we had the opportunity through concrete workshops to discuss openly and to exchange different points of view.
Try to find solutions for the environmental and social transition.
J'ai animé donc l'atelier des seaports. On essaye de faire en sorte que les étudiants s'approprient le concept des seaports qui sont 6 voies d'entrée dans la transition.
On veut que nos étudiants, petit à petit, puissent animer ce type de programme en entreprise quand ils prendront leur fonction de responsable RSE par exemple.
I'm really interested into corporate social responsibility, and I want to work in big companies to make a big change, have an impact.
I'm an engineer, so management is already something new to me.
So I think this master will be really interesting for my professional but also personal life.